Hey everybody, it's your girl Maya Kaylin, and today I am back with another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do this style because it's cute, duh girl. So these are the things you're going to need to achieve this cute behind look style, girl. You're going to need you a small tooth comb with rat tail, an edge brush, and a mini brush because you know, master the mini brushes, you're looking at it right now. You're going to need some bobby pins. You're going to need a paddle brush. You're going to need some Eco Styler gel, and you're going to need some edge control because you got to have the edges right. I think I hurt myself, so I suggest you guys not to brush your hair dry because your edges will fall out. So I'm just going to spray my hair real quick with some water, and then I'm going to brush because I don't want my edges to fall off because that'll be tragic. Now you're going to part that middle braid. I cannot explain this at all. It is kind of hard to explain. So just part a braid in the middle and watch what I do. Now that I'm done parting, I'm going to take some edge control and put that at the base of the part so that it could be a nice sleek looking braid. And then you're just going to braid, braid, braid. Now we're going to part for those side braids that come forward. So you're just going to part from behind your ear to your hairline and then braid that. And you're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm going to part my hair from ear to ear so that I can get those middle braids that go up into the bun. You just have to watch to understand what I'm talking about because it's really hard to explain. Now that I've got that middle braid, you're going to part in front of the ear to ear part and behind the ear to ear part so that you could have a section to braid. and braid up, up, up. I'm sorry, I had to do it. Okay, so now we are gladly finally done braiding the day away, and now we are going to put our hair into a ponytail. So first I'm going to brush down my little baby hairs because we're going to swoop those later. Then I'm going to take my edge control and put it where the braid is so that it won't look like I'm hiding the braid. You know what I mean? And you're gonna do that same thing to the other side. Now you're gonna go ahead and put it in a ponytail so you can do the back. So you're just going to take that back section, brush it up, and then brush into that ponytail. So I'm applying the edge control right now, and then I'm gonna apply gel, and then I'm gonna brush it up and add it to the ponytail. So right now I am just touching it up to make it look neater so that it can look sleeker and nicer. And what you've all been waiting for, the edges. You gotta get those right. That's the icing on the cake, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get those swoops right. Then I'm gonna go ahead and finish off these braids, curl them up with a little gel to make it look nice and twirly. Then I'm gonna take the next one, do the same thing. Obviously, I'm a little too ahead of myself, huh? Okay, I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm put some bobby pins in because it was hiding those braids in the back and I was not for it. We're gonna wait a little bit more. Alrighty, so now you're going to take that little band off and you're going to brush out that puff so it can look nice and voluminous. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and follow me on all my socials. I love you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye.